Okay, Whiskers, this is it. The very first one. The foundation. Number 1 is on the board. Let's find number 2. Whiskers, you brilliant scout! It was hiding right behind the snail. 2 for the trail. This is easier than I thought. We will now go and find 3. Oh wow! We have just found 3. Let's head back to the master board. Finding 3 was so fun. Now we will go and find 4. Folk Whiskers, we in Thurn.
What for?
Look, Whiskers, 4 is up there. Let's get the 4 before it's too late. 4.
How many numbers have you collected? How many numbers have you collected?
We have got 4 numbers. Fireflies holding 5, 5, 5 fireflies. Tommy, we fished a ground. This is the best adventure ever! The number 7 is like the 7 wonders. Wow, so magical. Look, Whiskers, the number 8 has come to us. Hey! Just as it seems swits my back. Almost there. Just one more after this one. Steady now. Got it. 9 is mine. Whiskers, can you hear that Bunny is calling us? My dear Bunty, you have solved our last task. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye!